Doc, I just gave birth to my daughter. And then, tinanong niya ako, ilang months na ba yung anak mo? And I told him na my daughter is... Hello po, we have another question from the Bag siblings, and I'd like to thank you so much, ma'am, for dropping your question in the comment section and also for watching my videos. So let me read it real quick. Hi po, ma'am, just watching your videos. Thank you. Just ask po, possible po ba mabunutan ako ng wisdom tooth? Kakapanganak ko lang for 1 month now. Let me answer this question po based from my experience and also yung advice ng dentist ko when I went to the dentist. So, ito po yung nangyari sa akin. Nung buntis pa po ako, nagpa-cleaning po ako ng ngipin and then medyo nasobrahan ng dentist yung pag-clean niya ng teeth ko, nabutas na yung wisdom tooth, yung both wisdom teeth. And then, hindi naman siya so far sumasakit. I just made sure na nagbabrush ako ng teeth every time after I eat. So, yun. But then again, like 3 months after akong manganak ng aking baby, need ko siya ipabakuna. So, I went to the center and then medyo sobrang mainit at that time. Nabilad ako sa araw. But it's not really like an hour, like a straight 1 hour. Hindi naman. Pero, nabilad talaga ako sa araw. And when we came home, that's when I experienced the pain. Ako yung klase ng tao na grabe yung pain tolerance ko at hindi ako umiiyak. But when it started to ache, napakasakit niya talaga. Parang may ugat siya na pumipitik-pitik and sobrang sakit niya na umiyak na talaga ako. So, yun, sa dalawang anak ko, mga anak ako, hindi ako umiyak, but yun lang, yung sumakit na yung ngipin ko, umiyak ako. So, it was really, really painful. And then, I started to worry na kapag babalik na ako sa work, it might be disturbing, most especially I will be facing students. So, I decided to find like a solution. But then again, yeah, I also have to wait for my funds if may pera ba ako at that time to have it treated. But anyway, I think umabot siya ng 5 months until until pumunta na ako sa dentist. Kasi so far, dahil din sa kawalan ng pera, I have to prioritize the needs of my family and most especially the needs of my children. So yun, 5 months na after akong manganak, pumunta ako sa dentist hoping na sana pwede pa siyang mapasta. Kasi may napapanood kasi ako mga videos from, different social media platforms, most especially from YouTube, na even if, like, sobrang damage na nung teeth, the dentist can still do something to save the tooth pala. Yeah, to save the tooth, even if, like, decayed na siya, and then ipapasta lang nila. So, I was hoping na pwede siyang gawin sa akin. Kasi when I looked at the mirror, hindi naman siya sobrang damaged yung ngipin ko. But anyway, nung pumunta ako sa dentist, tinanong niya ako if ever I am experiencing pain na ba sa ngipin. And I was so honest. I told him na, yes, I was experiencing pain already, doc. And he advised to me na since I was already experiencing pain sa ngipin ko na may cavity, kasi nagdevelop na ng cavity yung butas, nabutasan siya ng previous na dentist. So, sinabi niya na need na siyang bunutin. Having it filled, like yung tooth filling, is not a good idea anymore. Kasi there is a possibility daw na sasakit pa rin siya after. So the best remedy is to have it pulled out. But I told him na, Doc, I just gave birth to my daughter. And then, tinanong niya ako, ilang months na ba yung anak mo? And I told him na my daughter is still 5 months old. And then, sabi niya, okay, you just have to wait until mag 6 months na yung baby mo, tsaka kita bubunutan ng ngipin. So, he was the one who told me na the things that I need to do, like, I need to visit my OBGYN first, and then I have to get a certification from my OBGYN pagka 6 months na yung baby ko. So, I have to get a certification that it is okay for me to have my tooth pulled out. But to be honest, sobrang takot ko kasi, most especially naririnig kong mga sabi-sabi ng mga matatanda na, don't do that, wag ka magpabunot ng ngipin kasi kakapanganak mo lang, mabibinit ka, and all. So, hindi ako pumunta sa OBGYN at hindi ako bumalik muna sa dentist. And but if you are having questions like sumasakit ba yung ngipin ko, yes, it was really very painful, and I just had to take medications like paracetamol to help ease the pain. I don't really take yung strong pain relievers kasi may side effects yon. So I just take like mga paracetamol lang. And it actually helps naman. And in my case din po, sasakit siya ng sobra, most especially, like based from my observation, sasakit siya ng sobra, most especially if nagpapa-breastfeed ako sa aking baby. And as much as I wanted to stop breastfeeding my daughter, it's just that I can't do it because I was thinking of her well-being. Kasi I've noticed from my firstborn, who was also like breastfed, hindi talaga siya masyadong nagkakasakit. So, kaya yun, I have to keep breastfeeding my daughter. But anyway, yun. So, I just decided to have my both wisdom tooth pulled out last December. I think if I remembered it right, my daughter was already like a year and 7 months. Yeah, 1 year and 7 months after. I know po na hindi madali kapag nakaka-experience tayo ng sakit ng ngipin. I just hope po na you will be able to find remedy. And I don't think that dentist will pull it out kasi kakapanganak mo lang. I don't think po. But it's still best pa rin po na you see an expert like a dentist and also your OBGYN. And also, please, I suggest please drink a lot of milk because it helps with the calcium. So thank you so much for watching the video, everybody.